Hey everyone, it's Irvin here, aka Team with Irvin. Welcome to another week. Today is September 29, 2019, making today a Sunday. As always, guys, you want to make clear I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader looking to squeeze hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips out of this market, because the market is not our friend. So another thing, guys, if you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel, please do so by clicking the like button and subscribe. Another thing that I want to let you guys know is I do highly recommend, like as always, every Sunday I recommend to download my Forex Hour. This app helps me tremendously on when I analyze the market. All right, so please do so. Another great app that I think also everyone should download it is my Forex Book app. Whatever I'm gonna be analyzing today is subject to change based on the news that are gonna be released this coming week. So far, we had an awesome week. I think I analyzed last week in 12 pairs, and 12 pairs were 100%. They performed 100%. So I'm very proud of the analysis that it was done the previous Sunday. So I will be bringing all those pairs back to life so you can take a look at it and so on. Okay. Another thing, guys, if you haven't subscribed to our Facebook, please do so, for a USA group. All right, so, and once again, please also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Again, yeah, that's a friendly reminder. All right, so let's start with, let me go back here. Bear with me, guys. There you go. Yes, we're gonna start with Swiss francs versus the Japanese yen. Last Sundays, I told you guys that this market was trending down. So based on my analysis, I told you guys that this market was gonna come down and retest our 50 Fibonacci line, and that's exactly what the market did. So proud on this one. And I also said that it was gonna retrace back to our 78.6 Fibonacci line, which is sitting currently. So you see here, and then I said that the market was gonna come down once the market hit that area. So far, that's exactly what is gonna happen this week. So I'm expecting to see another 2-3 bars to retest that area, and then it's gonna drop down. Why? Because the triple arrow here is telling us the market is coming down. Everything in here on the bottom, all those indicator is telling us the same thing. So why not? So this is a winner. Was a very, very accurate analysis from the previous Sunday. The next pair that I have for you guys is the euro versus the US dollar. This pair, the analysis is done on the 4 hours, as you see here, H4. And what did I say last Sunday? I said the market was trending up based on the triple arrow. Nothing wrong with that. I clearly said the market was gonna reverse back and retest our 61.8 Fibonacci line, and that's exactly what it did. And I also said that it was gonna drop back down to our 23 to our 0 Fibonacci line, and that's exactly what it's doing currently, right? So this is another great analysis that it was done. And based on what I'm seeing here, the market is still trending down in here, so it's not ready to do the pullback. So I'm expecting, if you see here, there is a 4 hours dot. You see that red dot in there, so the market is still trending down. So probably we're gonna be looking for another 3-4 more bars before it reverses back as what I told you guys last Sunday. So this is still a valid trade, so very, very satisfied on this one as well. The next pair is here is the GBP versus the New Zealand dollar, and this is also done on the H4, which is equal to 4 hours. What do we see here, guys? I mentioned this as well. I do see here what the 4 hours trade. So this also I mentioned last Sunday. I say, what is the market gonna do? The market was not ready to drop at that time. So I said that it was gonna, create a couple more bars before it dropped down. And I said that the market was gonna drop down to our AA line, which is the 38.2 Fibonacci line. And that's exactly what the market is doing. So this is another great winner that we have. So very proud of that one. And what are we expecting for this week? So far in here, I do see there's the 4 hours creating on the AA line. So we should see a pullback, retesting our mid of our 0 Fibonacci line, and then the market is gonna drop back down to, let me check, to our 50 Fibonacci line, which has a couple bouncing area here. So we got a support here. So there's a gray area in there. So please pay attention to this one. And what I'm gonna be doing next Sunday is most likely I will be analyzing the same pair so you guys can be on track and see how I do my analysis. But so far, like I say, I'm very proud of this trade because it gave us exactly what we were looking for. So very proud of this one. The next pair that I have is the GBP versus the US dollar. On this pair last Sunday, guys, I said the market was not ready to take off yet. We do have here the triple arrow, right? Triple arrow is beautifully formed, and I said the market was not ready. It was gonna do a couple like pullback, and then was gonna take off to our 38.2 Fibonacci line, and that's exactly what the market did. And then I clearly stated that it was gonna do a reverse back to our 23.6, and that's exactly what it's sitting. But this is a but. I think the market is not done yet doing the pullback. So what we expected to see is maybe to retest this high area here, right? So to come here to this area, and then it's gonna take off. So what I'm expecting to see from this area here? So most likely I will do a buy in this area here. So please pay attention. This is one of the great locations for me. If not, most likely if it fell here, probably will retest our 0 Fibonacci line, reverse it all the way back, which can help with anxiety. Let me draw it here so you can see it. Most likely it's gonna reverse back, retesting our 0 Fibonacci line, and then it's gonna take off. So please pay attention to this. This is another great area that you should be expecting to see. All right. So the next one is the euro versus the New Zealand, and this is done on the daily. Last Sunday I said yes, the market was not ready. It was most likely do a small pullback, retesting our big arrow, which is the AA line and the 0 Fibonacci line. So it went there, and I said that it was gonna drop down to 38.2. But what I'm seeing right now, guys, I do see here a daily dot. See that daily dot, the yellow dot in there? So most likely what it's gonna do in that area, well, it's not done yet, so we should be seeing a couple more bars. And most likely what I'm expecting this week is to do a pullback, retesting our AA line, our triple arrow, because triple arrow is not fully formed yet. But what are we seeing? Let me draw here the vertical line so you guys can see. Look at here. I do see the MACD is forming, which is giving us a nice signal of a sell. And then I do see here on the ADX that is giving us a nice crossover, right? So which is good. So what are we seeing here? We're seeing a TWE peak is forming. So yeah, so we should be seeing something very nicely this week, guys. So please pay attention to that. This is gonna be another great one. So if you move to 4 hours or 1 hour to take your trade, I think that would be a great area. But it's please, once again, guys, this is not a signal that I'm providing. This is just an educational, so you can see exactly how I take my trade. I usually take my trade on Monday or Tuesday and let my trade run all the way to Sundays. I'm sorry, on Fridays, and then I cash them out and I move on. So a lot of people are sending me private message, which I highly appreciated, but they say, Irvin, why are you analyzing the market in the 4 hours and the daily? Because, guys, this is for all the newbies. You have to analyze the market always on the larger time frame, and then you got to move down to your lower time frame to take your trade. The way I do my secret sauce for the forex trading is doing it starting with 4 hours, confirming in a daily, and moving back to either 30-minute or 1 hour. So it's up to you, but that is my entries. All right, so please write that down. Again, I will be leaving all the description below of this video, so you can contact me if you have any question. Okay, and I also want to clarify, there's a lot of people telling me, Irvin, how do I get the triple arrow? There will be a link below. Please, guys, read that link, click on it, and all the questions that you're asking me is ready on the website. So there's no need for you to ask me the same thing. So please read or go to the website. All right. So the next pair that I analyzed last week was the US dollar versus the Japanese yen, and this was done on the 4 hours. I clearly said it, guys. The market was gonna do a drop to our 38 Fibonacci line. Beautifully went there, and then I said was gonna do a pullback to our 23. Unfortunately, it went to our almost to our 0 Fibonacci line, which is still pretty good. I'm not complaining. If you would have a trailing stop, you still wouldn't be in profit. So profit is always good. Like I always mention, we're here to make hundreds and hundreds of pips. All right. So, and then I said it was gonna drop back down. But so far, what do I see here? There is a 4 hours dot. So we should be seeing, 3 or 4 more bars before it dropped down. Why I'm saying that it's gonna drop down? Because the triple arrow is letting us know the market is trending down. So please pay attention to that. I think this is another winner. So last Sunday I gave you guys 12 pairs. All 12 pairs took profit. Think about it. All you have to do is 100 pips on each pair. That is equal 1,200 pips. If you were to take maybe 2-3 orders on each pair, that would be maybe about 3 to almost 5,000 pips. So I always say we're here to collect what? Hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips. That is accurate. So you can check my previous video, and I'm making this up. So all this analysis that I'm doing is because the triple arrow is super easy to do it. So that's one thing you should pay attention to it. Okay, guys. The next one I have here is the Australian dollar versus the USD equal H4. All right. So this is another great winner that I have from last Sunday. I said that market was going to do a small pullback. Boom, it gave us exactly our 50 Fibonacci take profit. And then I said that yes, the market was going to drop down to our 0 Fibonacci line. but unfortunately it didn't go that far. But still, you wouldn't be in profit, so it's not like you're losing. So yes, it went there, and now the market did a small pullback. But what are you seeing here, guys? Look at here, we do see the 4 hours dot. So there's a strong area here letting us know the market is gonna reverse back from this particular area here. And so far this is great. The next so what I'm expecting to do from this particular area here is to go ahead and create a couple more bar before it drop down to, we see here, so most likely it's gonna drop down to our 100 Fibonacci line, and that should be a good trade for next Sunday. Okay, so the next pair that I have for you guys is the GBP versus the Canadian. This is done on the 4 hours. So all this is another great winner that we have from last previous video. Look at that. I said it was gonna drop down to our 50 Fibonacci line, and then it was gonna do a pullback, and then it was gonna take off, blah blah blah, to our 61.8, and boom, it gave us what we wanted. Another great one. So, but for this coming week, I think that the trend is still not fully ready yet to take the reversal yet. So I'm expecting this to give us a retracement to continue all the way to our 61 Fibonacci line, probably another bar, and then it's gonna do a reversal going back to our 23.6 Fibonacci line. So please pay attention to this pair. It's another great one that I think everyone should pay attention to it. The next pair that I also mentioned was the US dollar versus the Canadian. This is done on the daily chart. I said the market was trending up, and last week it was sitting right on our 23 Fibonacci line. I said yes, the market is gonna give us a reversal, a continuation of the trend, because it was a bullish, and then I said that it was gonna go all the way to our 50 Fibonacci line. From our 50 Fibonacci lines was gonna retrace back to our 38.2 Fibonacci line. So far, I don't think it's ready yet to do the pullback, so we may see this coming week to still drop to this low here, mid of our 38.2 to our 23, and then from that particular area it's gonna continue as expected all the way to our 61.8 Fibonacci line. Guys, I think this is awesome. I'm very proud of my work that I did last week. None of the pairs that I studied were a lost trade. So I collect hundreds of pips. So I just want to let you guys know, if you guys struggling with your trading, please contact me. There is my information below in the description of this video. You can send me a private Telegram message, and I will be more than happy to help you. Like I always say, if you want, I can help you create a video. I can record a video for you so you can understand how I do mine, or if there's one particular area that you are confused, I'm here to help you. So all you have to do is let me know, and we're gonna work together. My goal here is to help you so you can help another, so and then you can pay forward somehow. Okay, so all right, so the next pair that I have, which was another great winner, it was the CAD versus the Japanese yen. I said it was gonna take off, it was gonna continue down all the way to our 50 Fibonacci line, but it didn't. But still, if you would have had the trailing stop, there's no way you would have lose this trade. So it gave us a reversal from our 38 Fibonacci line, and then what did I say, guys? I said it was gonna give us a pullback to our 23 Fibonacci line, but it gave us more pip that we asked for it. So here, look at that. There is a 4-hour dot in there that is coming down already. So what are we expecting from that particular area? What we are seeing is a continuation of the trend. Why? Because look at here. You see there, that's the triple arrow is letting us know the market is trending down. So what I'm expecting to do this probably Monday, most likely I will be selling in this area. So, you know, please guys, don't take any trade based on my analysis. You know, what I do here is I just want you to know exactly how I look, my entries and so on. And so go to your chart, compare it, and then you can analyze it on your own. If you're still confused, you can contact me and we can work, you know, a solution to see how I can help you. All right. So another great one that we have, which was another great winner. Actually, let me do something here. Let me take this off. And another one, another great winner I had was the US dollar versus the Swiss francs. This was done on the 4 hours. I also said it, what I was seeing here, I said we had the triple arrow. Triple arrows telling us, yes, the market is coming down. I clearly said it, the MACD had a nicely crossover. The ADX also gave us a signal the market was trending down, and the TWE was giving us a signal the market was coming down. So everything is telling you, it was telling us, is that coming down. So what did I say last Sunday? I said the market was gonna come down to our 50 Fibonacci line. It came a little bit short to mid 38 and 50. Actually, let's consider 50 because it's playing in the middle. So, and then that was it. That's all I told you because I didn't want to, you know, add more stuff. But if I would have tell you that it was gonna do a pullback, I would most likely would have said that it was gonna give us a pullback all the way to where it is right now. See? And now for this coming week, what are we seeing here? Look at here, guys. Always pay attention to the reversal. Always look for 1, 2, 3 dots, and then yes, the market from that particular area is confirming a continuation of the trend, which is a sell. So on this one, what I'm looking for this coming week is to retest this area here, our 50 Fibonacci line. From here, I should be seeing a reversal retesting our AA line, which is you see all this area here of support, and from there it's gonna continue down to our 61 Fibonacci line. But most likely we're not actually, you know what, let me remove this the reversal here, because I think this coming week, for next week, we should stop on our AA line, and then we can continue our analysis burst from last week. So let me remove this. This was last week, was another winner trade. I hope everyone understand. If not, you know, you can contact me. But look at here. I just want you to, let me draw this vertical line. Look at here, guys. Look at here. We got a nicely crossover letting us know, yes, the market is coming down, like I said it. Then we have a nice crossover on our ADX, and yes, it's confirming a, what is this, Frank, or some indicator that someone gave me in the chat room. It's confirming that it's coming down. But based on this, I don't really care, because all you have to worry about it is about the triple arrow. What is the triple arrow telling you the market is doing? It's telling us, clearly it's telling us market is coming down. So if you move to maybe, you know, 1 hour or 30 minutes to take your trade, then this is easy pips to put it in your packet. So please pay attention to that, analyze it, and then do whatever you want to do. All I'm providing here, guys, is a free educational. All this analysis that I'm doing for you guys is completely free. I'm not selling anything. I'm not asking you to do anything. It takes a lot of my time to analyze it and give you the best of the best. So, but the beast here, my engine, my everything, my sexy lady is my triple arrow. If I don't have this sexy lady here telling me what to do, it will be, I still can win the market, but it's just super easy to do it with the triple arrow. So I highly recommend you to take a look at it. I will leave the link below, and just do whatever you want. If you want to get it, well, if you don't, I don't care. So, but I just wanted you to know how I win the market. All right, the next one and the last one that I have for you guys is the GBP versus the JPY. This is done on the 4 hours. Last Sunday, guys, I said that this was a really nice pair because the triple arrow were very tight together. When there's tight like this, oh my God, you have to. This is you know, my 5 years girl can take this trade. So this is super easy to grab, you know, those pips. So if you were to take these pips here, you would be up to now 250 pips, guys. That would be $2,500 on your bank account. I said the market was gonna give us a continuation of the triple arrow, retesting our 38 Fibonacci line, and that's exactly what the market did. And then I say yes, the market is gonna give us a reversal back to our 23 Fibonacci line. So we should be seeing this coming week here. Let me move this here. Or may retest this high here, which is mid of the 23 and our 0 Fibonacci line. And then what do you think is gonna do next? What is the triple arrow telling us that the market is doing? Can you answer that question? All right, if you said that it was a sell, you are correct. That's exactly what the market is doing. So what I'm expecting this coming week is to retest our 4 hours and a daily dot here. See, this is a very strong area, which is retesting our 50 and our 61 Fibonacci line. What is the meaning of our 50 and 61 Fibonacci line, guys? That is the golden area of retracement. Again, that is a golden area. Let me write it here. Golden area of reversal. All right, so hopefully that you will know. Always remember, these two areas are super powerful. All right. I think, guys, I will go ahead and leave you guys with this, and please analyze it on your own and do whatever you think you want to do. I'm not here to give you a signal, nothing like that. I do not provide any signal. Again, we do have on the triple arrow signal channel, and I always mention to everyone, do not depend on the signal. Everyone here is to teach you how to become an independent trader. So if I tell you my analysis is this, then your job is to go into your chart, you know, do your own analysis, whatever rules you have, then you can decide what to do. But you know, the pie is giving it to you, is we're feeding you with the right information. All you have to do is either, you know, open your mouth and, you know, eat the pie. But you must also learn the way we think. So again, guys, I just want to thank everyone for coming out this week, and we are looking forward for next week trade. All right, take care.